jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hello. Hello. Yes, you're loud. Hello. Hi there. You can do it. What are you doing, Goofers? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing, Goofers?
I don't think he did it. Neither do I. That's because I stayed for the duration of his interview and I saw no indication that he was lying. Why do you think this is? Because I'm pretty sure I like.
Give me a kiss. Can I have a kiss? Hello. Are you gonna eat me? Hello. You're feeling better, huh? Yeah, you feeling better, baby? Hello. Oh, and you're even waving. Good. Hello. Oh, that's my baby. I'm so glad you're feeling better. Yeah. You're the crazy little bird I know and love. Angela, you're a stinker. Good boy. Hello. Good boy. Hello. What? 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 Come on. What? Hello. What's that, huh? You showing me wings? Show me wings. Oh, that's a hello. That's not wings. Wings. Good boy. What does a duck say? Quack, quack. Good boy. You got it that time.